Crystal with Azalea's Garden, and for today's video I'm going to be planting up an herb garden in this container here. So if you need to plant your gardens in raised beds or containers like I do, this video is for you. I'm not sure what size container this is, but I will measure it for you and I'll pop it up on the screen. For this container we have a pineapple mint, lemon thyme, Italian oregano, Thai basil, catmint, and I'll tell you why I'm putting catmint in here in a second, and rosemary. I also have some alyssum plants that I want to put in here, and the only thing I'm missing is parsley. I forgot to pick that up, so I'll even see if this even is going to fit. I like to put flowers in here because something a little different, adds color and texture to your plants, and it feeds the bees, so why not? Because the mint is a very aggressive root, I am just going to plop it in just like that. And I'll fill it in with some soil just to cover it. This came out so cute. I only ended up using one alyssum. I'm gonna go put it in the sun and water it in. The mint really hates getting their leaves wet, so make sure to try to avoid them as much as possible.